Hello, curious explorers, and welcome! Isn't the world around us just full of amazing, wonderful, and sometimes puzzling things? And what's the most fun way to find the answers? With cartoons, of course! We believe that learning should be an adventure, filled with laughter and discovery. Have you ever looked up and wondered why the sky is a brilliant blue? Or how a tiny little seed can grow up to be a giant, towering tree? Well, get ready! Today, we're diving headfirst into the incredible world of science, where every single question has a fascinating answer, just waiting to be found. You just need to know where to look. So, let's start with that big blue blanket above us. The Earth is wrapped in a special blanket of air called the atmosphere. When sunlight, which looks white to us, travels all the way from the sun, it has to pass through this blanket. Now here's the secret. Sunlight is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow, all mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet are all traveling in that one sunbeam. Each color travels in a wave, but they aren't all the same size. Blue light travels in short, choppy waves, while red light travels in long, lazy waves. As the sunlight hits the tiny bits of gas and dust in our atmosphere, the short, choppy blue waves get bounced around and scattered in every single direction. Because this blue light is scattered all over the place, it fills the sky, making it look beautifully blue to our eyes. Isn't that amazing? And that's also why sunsets are red and orange. When the sun is low, its light has to travel through more of the atmosphere, so most of the blue light gets scattered away before it reaches us, leaving the longer red and orange waves for us to see. Okay, from the sky to the ground. Let's talk about the magic of seeds. Imagine holding a tiny seed. It might not look like much, but inside, it holds the blueprint for a magnificent plant. All it needs is a little help to get started. When you plant it in the soil and give it some water, the seed wakes up from its long sleep. The water softens its tough outer shell, called the seed coat. Then the first thing it does is send out a tiny root, digging down into the earth. These roots act like straws, sucking up water and nutrients from the soil, and they also anchor the plant, holding it steady. Next, a little shoot pushes its way up, 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 breaking through the soil to reach for the sunlight. This shoot will grow into the stem and leaves. The leaves are like little solar-powered food factories. They contain something magical called chlorophyll. It's what makes them green. Chlorophyll captures the sun's energy, and through a process called photosynthesis, it uses that energy to turn water and a gas from the air called carbon dioxide into sugary food for the plant to grow. And with that food, the plant grows taller and stronger, day by day, until that tiny seed becomes a mighty tree, giving us shade, fruit, and fresh air to breathe. Speaking of the wonders of nature, the animal kingdom is filled with its own incredible surprises. Are you ready for some fun facts? First up, did you know that elephants, for all their size and strength, are one of the only mammals that can't jump? But a tiny flea can jump over 100 times its own body height. That's like you jumping over a skyscraper. And how about this? An octopus has not one, not two, but 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to its gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of its body. Have you ever seen a group of flamingos? Well, a group of them isn't called a flock, it's called a flamboyance. What a fabulous word! And one more, butterflies taste with their feet. They stand on a leaf or flower to decide if it's a good place to lay their eggs or have a tasty meal. The world is just so full of amazing things, from the blue sky above our heads to the tiny seeds beneath our feet, and the incredible animals we share our planet with. There is so much to learn. Every question you ask, every time you wonder why or how, you are opening a door to a brand new adventure. Curiosity is your superpower. It helps you explore, experiment, and discover things that no one has ever shown you before. Science isn't just about labs and textbooks. It's about looking at the world with wide open eyes and a heart full of wonder. So the next time you see something that makes you curious, don't just walk by. Ask a question. Look it up. Talk to a grown-up about it. Keep asking, keep wondering, and never stop exploring. Who knows what incredible answers you'll find next? Thanks so much for joining our adventure today. If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the amazing world of science. Until next time, stay curious!